In this lesson, we're going to learn about writing a fraction in lowest terms. So if we have a problem like this that says, write 4 over 16 in lowest terms. So what does that mean exactly? Let's understand what lowest terms means. It means writing the fraction with the lowest possible numerator and denominator. So remember, equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same portion of a whole. So in a way, we're just trying to find an equivalent fraction that is in the lowest terms. Okay? So the next thing to do is we find the largest number that divides both into the numerator and the denominator. So, and then once you find that, you divide both the numerator and the denominator by that number. So for this one, the largest number that divides into both 4 and 16 is 4. There is another number that divides both into 4 and 16, and that number is 2. But 2 is a smaller number. So let's take a look. If we divide 4, the numerator, by 4, it equals 1. If we divide 16, the denominator, by 4, that equals 4. So 4 over 16 equals 1 over 4 in lowest terms. If we were to do this exact same problem and use 2, 2 would fit into 4 twice, and 2 fits into 4 8 times, right? So we would have 2 over 8. So you could actually reduce that further. So that's not the lowest term. So the lowest term, just remember that you have to find the biggest number, the largest number that divides both into the numerator and the denominator. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. I have other links and videos. You could look in the description. There's other links that are similar to this video, and you can go check them out. Also, there's my ebook. You could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook.